Samsung has announced that it is launching the Galaxy Fit 3 in the Indian market. The Galaxy Fit 3 is priced at India $4,999, which is 25% more than the price of the Fit 2, which had launched for India $3,999, and 500 cashback offer from various banks does bring the price down to India $4,499. Starting with the design, Samsung is promising an aluminum body and a significantly larger screen. Galaxy Fit 3 come with 1.6-inch 256x402 AMOLED display, compared to the Fit 2's narrower 1.1-inch 126x294 AMOLED screen. The Galaxy Fit 3 also weighs 18.5 grams without the straps and 36.8 grams with the straps. The tracker also brings a 5 ATM IP68 rating, so it should hold up just fine when swimming in a pool. Another notable design-related change is the switch to more conventional straps. Samsung's product listing notes that you can get up to 13 days of battery life out of the 2.8 mAh battery, along with a 65% charge in 30 minutes. Other notable features include Bluetooth 5.3 support, 16 MB of RAM, and 256 MB of storage. Health-related features include support for over 100 different workouts, blood oxygen tracking, heart rate monitoring, stress monitoring, fall detection, and activity tracking. Samsung's upcoming tracker also features sleep tracking support, including snore detection via a paired Galaxy phone's microphone. Other features worth knowing include support for over 100 watch faces, Find My Phone functionality, and robust smartphone integration, e.g. notifications, camera controls, calls, texts. The company also posted a comprehensive list showing the differences between the Galaxy Fit 3 and its predecessors. Check out the differences between the Fit 3 and Fit 2. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.